today I'm going to show you how you can get WordPress REST API installed on your personal external website using the WordPress free version. So we have the WordPress with your own domain, and we have the WordPress, which is a free version which comes to the .wordpress domain, right? So find this information is very difficult. When you go to YouTube and you type WordPress API, all these videos are using their own domains, are using their own domains, and then they've installed WordPress and they're using it. But you just need a quick blog installed. You already have your website, your personal website, your project, your CV, whatever, and you want to have a blog, your own personal blog there. This is the simplest way you can do it with WordPress without paying anything or without buying another domain or anything. So you hop on to WordPress, right? So this the one that I created. So I'm going to show you how to get one of these for yourself. So you go to wordpress.com. I already have an account, so you can sign up, do whatever, and then once you have signed up and all that, you can go to my site. You can go to add new site. Now when I go to add new site, because I already have a website, I get the option to add a new site. But for you just create a new site, right? So you can call this test blog. I'll call this a test blog, or whatever you want to call your blog, right? And you just choose a free, so the free will give you a domain, and then the free is just .wordpress. Don't really bother about the name, because you're going to use the REST API to just pull your blogs to your website. And then you start with the free version. So once you're done, that is it, you're done. There's no anything. So here you have to now set up your website. So what your website is about, let's say is something else. Then you pick a design that you want to use. You're not going to be using this design. You're only going to use WordPress admin panel to be posting your blog. So this doesn't really matter. Just choose any design that you feel it's gorgeous, right? So I would just go with something very simple like this, and then just go continue. It's personalizing. We're gonna see work very soon, and yeah, let's just launch it. You don't have time to wait. So now this is launching. Let's go into how you can get the API. So your site is ready to you're ready to use it, right? Good. So now when you go to your site, this is what you're going to see. So when you copy this domain, right, let's go to this domain, test blog 977 WordPress. Now this is your site. Good. So we're going to make a first post. So let's go to post. Let's make a first post. We're just going to copy some random post. So I'm just going to pick let me just see random blog. So I'm just going to copy anything, right? All right, so let's say we just want this. So our post title, let's say this our content. Our title is this. We just want anything to work with, right? And we publish. So we made our first post. So let's add a publish. We can add a category and all that stuff. So we can go to categories, add a new category. So this category is called uncategorized. So that's fine. We just test it. You can add tags, featured image, all those stuff. You can add it, right? So I'm not going to go into that. Let's work on the API. So now we are done setting up our website on and it's free. So let's go into the API. So when you go to REST API with WordPress, now this is a funny thing. Now all these things are going to give you the one that comes with a normal domain. So this is not going to work for you. I've tried it, it never worked, and that's what I'm showing you guys. So when you go here, they said use the WordPress version 2 then post. When you use that on your domain, you're going to get you're not going to get anything. You're going to get a 404. So when I come here and I say WordPress version 2 for post, I'm going to get a 404. I don't even get anything. You see, there's nothing showing. So that means that WordPress uses a different API for the free domains, and I'm going to show you how to get that. Let me fetch that data from my other monitor. So you have to go to this is the same. So instead of .org, you go to wordpressdeveloper.com, right here. Then you go to your docs/API. Did I make a mistake? That is it. So you see, this is what we need. So we go to post, you can see how we're going to show our post. We go to post, we go to get a single post by ID. We can fetch all our posts. So you can see this is a URL. So we copy this URL. We come here, we paste it. It says public API REST API site. So this is your site name. Now this site name is equal to this right here with a WordPress.com. So you put your site name, post, and then a post ID. So we want to fetch all the posts. So let's go with this. And then here we are. So we have all our posts fetched. And the interesting thing about this is that it gives us even the user who posted it. So if you're a team, you can add users to your WordPress administration panel, and then you can get all that data. We get the date posted, we get the content, we get a short URL, we even get a slug. See the category and categorize and the tags, everything is here, metadata, everything. So we have 2 posts, right? So we can fetch a post by ID. So let's say we want to fetch a post and we say post number 7, and we just get that. So we go to this is the author, this is the discussion, this is the content, right? There's a title, switching back Tenderbird in 2023. So that's the title. So this is it, right? So that is it. You can just copy this now, go to your Nax or whatever platform you're using, paste it there, use the fetch or Azios or whatever HTTP package you have. You just use that, fetch it, get a response, and then just do it. So I'm using this here right now. You can see how I'm using it. I just do a fetch and I just pass in the URL. I get a post, I show the first one as recent post, and I remove the first one from the list and I show the rest. And that's how come we have it here nicely delivered. So that's all for how to get WordPress REST API working with free version domain, right? So that is it. I don't know if I missed anything. What did I miss? Let me see. Did I miss anything? Yeah, that is it. So your site is live. You can come here now. You can self-manage your site. You can now add users to help in posting stuff to your website. And if you want to still use the WordPress domain, you can still use it if you want. That is your choice. But this is the basics of WordPress API with a free version. Thank you all for watching.